Let's talk about probability with a contingency table. So contingency table, if you recall, is two categorical variables, a two-way table. So we have gender, it looks like they're using male and female, and then above versus below 6 feet, and their totals. So the first question says, if A, a student is male, and B, student is above 6 feet, find the probability of A union B. That's a probability of A or B, which is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. This is a general addition rule for this first one. Again, union in this case means or. So what does that mean in the context of this question? Student is male. Okay, so looking at student is male, there's a total of 60 males. That's 40 plus 20 give you 60 out of 170. Plus, student is above 6 feet. Well, that would be above 6 feet. The total is 90. That's 40 plus 50 to give you 90 out of 170. But notice the issue here. We double counted 40. That is why for the general addition rule, you have to subtract what's in common, minus 40 out of 170. So notice that difference here overall. Again, let me go back and show you the visual here. Boom, boom, boom. Now we'll keep that one going. There we go. So the probability of male is a total of 60 out of 170. That was 40 and 20 together. The probability of B above 6 feet is 90. That's the total out of 170. But then we have to subtract how many males are above 6 feet that we counted twice, minus 40 out of 170. And that will give you 60 plus 90 minus 40 is 110 out of 170. And that last little part is actually the answer to this piece right here, because the upside down U, that should be an upside down U, is the intersection. That is the probability in this case of male and above 6 feet. So that's going to be just the 40 out of 170. This is not independent events right now. This is just dealing with either union or intersection. So do make sure you understand the difference when dealing with this type of contingency table. And then lastly, find the probability of selecting a male given they are above 6 feet. This is what's called conditional probability. So given they are above 6 feet, this is not out of everybody. This is just of those above 6 feet tall. So of the 90 that are above 6 feet, how many are male? And the answer is going to be 40 out of 90. Conditional probability is not out of the total. It's on a subset overall. And that's several questions you need to be familiar with dealing with a contingency table. And fun fact, I'm actually 6'5".